I mean, it's humbling, you know. It just occurs to me, you know, the cat picture. I look at the cat picture and I think, what would that look like? What would it look like on a knight's body? And then you take the picture of the cat and you size it. You size it up so it's similar, so it fits right on where the normal knight's head is, and then you put it on there and you do a little stuff as a program. It's called Photoshop, and you can kind of blend it in as best you can. You know, I mean, I can't take the credit. All the credit is, you know, the man upstairs. I'm just a vessel.